welcome to Blossom Gardening Tips. My name is Eric. Today we are going to show the success of mango grafting. This mango grafting was done on 18th of June 2020. Today exactly we have completed 1 month and 2 days. So we can see the progress over here. We can see the leaves of mango. Let us open it and check the success. So we have done two graftings together in this. Yes. This is one scion, this is from one mother plant, and this is from another mother plant. So there are two scions here, two graftings. One we can see the success, another success is on its way. Probably this will take about another 10 days time because this was progressing, so it did not get proper manure for this or concentration by the plant. This is the root stock. This is about 1 year old root stock, and this was ready in about 20 days. So you can see, so we have kept this protected from the sun and you know the harsh atmosphere because there was no rains during June. This is very successful. This will bear fruit in another 1 or 2 years time because this is from an old plant and this is a new plant. So this is the advantage of having grafting. In any graftings, any fruit graftings, you get the fruit very easily and very fast. So this is what we have done. This will take some times, and once this is done, we will give you another video. We have done one more mango grafting yesterday, of which video we have already uploaded on YouTube. You can see the video, and this one we are going to show you. This video also we have got when we have done the grafting, which will be uploaded very soon on YouTube. So anyone can do it. This is very easy method. Anybody can do mango grafting in a very simple manner. So try it out. You for any instructions, any help, assistance, you can always go through YouTube channel and look for our videos. You can call us on our mobile numbers which are mentioned in our description. So this one we are going to cover it once again because this requires humidity and moisture, and we don't want it to be spoiled because of the rains, and we are not going to open this till this is successfully sprouted or the leaves like this have come up. So we are going to cover it again and leave it till the leaves are seen properly, and protect this from the rains because this is a very fresh grafting, and if there is water trapped in this, probably this may rot inside. So we will tie it up again. This polythene bag will PVC bag will stop the rainwater leaking inside. We will tie this portion as well. So we will protect it. Let us protect it properly so that there will be two success stories in one grafting. We have to do this down here. Yes. Once it is done, we will show you the updates, and till then, keep watching Blossom gardening tips, and get more tips and assistance from Blossoms. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.